My name is David Stoughton, and I am the Supervisory Park Ranger for Big Branch National Wildlife Refuge and actually all 8 of the refuges here in southeast Louisiana. Today's the first day of spring, and we're out enjoying the beautiful weather and the sunshine today as we watch the sunset and see the red cockaded woodpeckers come into roost for the evening. Fire is one of the greatest conservation tools that we have. And where we are right now is a section that was burned in a controlled way about 1.5 years ago. And what it's created is this savanna-like atmosphere. And what I mean by a savanna is that it doesn't have a big understory that crawls up these trees, and it allows the birds to see the ground.
My name is Christina Leglue. I'm a wildlife biologist with the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. Probably incubating right now. Yeah, she's in there. She's on eggs. She's on eggs. Well, I can't come back. Once I've checked it, I can't come back for 7 to 11 days. Regulations. Causes unnecessary disturbance.
And the incubation period for the eggs once they're laid?
10 days. Well, we might have to try another site. This is an odd tree for them to nest in. But we have 2 eggs. Yeah, he's not happy because I'm in the nest tree.
Best RCW setting I've ever had. Pretty exciting. It's so wet, I can't.
Oh, there he is, about to come up. There he is. Yep, there he is. There he goes.
My name is Sarah Giles. I'm with the Student Conservation Association. I'm interested in red cockaded woodpeckers because they're an endangered species. They're native to Louisiana, and because they're endangered, they're pretty rare. They're hard to see.